Hi guys, welcome back to another new video of pranab'sLecture. So in this video we will learn about the variables and data types. Okay. So first we will discuss variables. So variables what? Variables. Okay. So you all are acquainted in the word variable. Why I say? Because you all are studying in mathematics that variable is what? So in our mathematics one chapter is there linear algebra where we write some equations. Let x plus y equal to 0. This is a linear equation, yes or no? So in this equation x and y are what? Variables. Okay. Similarly, in our programming world, variable is nothing but it is a name of the memory location. Means if this is a memory, okay, what? This is a memory and its name is let us assume A is the name of the memory location. And in this memory what I have stored, so what the value which is stored in our memory, this is the value, and the memory where we store, so this is nothing but this is the variable. So here we can name of the memory location, what? Name of the memory location, name of the memory location is nothing but the variable. Okay. So here in other words we can say that variable is nothing but it is a container. Okay, where we store some values, where we store some value. These are the value, these are the values, and this is our container. So variable is what? Variable is nothing but it is a container where we assign the some value as per as our user's requirement. Okay. Why I say this is variables? Because variable is a word which is a combination of two words. One is vary, another one is able. Okay. So here vary means the value which is assigned to that variable is always changes, not fixed. Okay. If I give an example, if this is a variable and if I put into something in that variable, after that I can also remove this. Okay. So this is the variable, not only fixed, it can also as per the user requirement we can remove these things. Okay. This is nothing but this is our variable concept. Here I give you a real life example that we will be understanding it better. So let us assume this is a container. Yes or no? This is a container. So here we store some values, means here we only store the cap. Okay. So now this is a variable. Why? It is a container and here I stored some values, means the cap. Okay. So similarly in our program is variable concept there, and I say variable means the value which is present in that variable is not fixed, means here I store the cap, and when I want the cap is also remove that, and this is our free now. So this is the concept of variable. So now come to our syntax. Okay. So what? Syntax means how to write a variable, how to declare a variable in our programming. So first I write data type. Data type, don't worry, I will discuss data type. Then come to variable name. Name of what? Name of variable. Then come to name of variable. Then assignment symbol is there. Then the value. Then the value which is passed in that variable. Then put a semicolon mark. Okay. This is the same syntax of a variable. So here let us say int is a data type. Name of variable means a. Let us assume a. Then assignment symbol is there. Then value. Let we passed in that variable 20 value, because 20 is a integer type. Here integer value only stored. Then a semicolon mark. So after we not doing any space, int a equal to 20 semicolon. Okay. So this is the syntax of a variable. So here one thing I am discuss in our data type. When I study data type, then I will say something. Okay. So this is the concept of data types and variables. So now further here one rule is there. So here to declare a variable name, here we do not use any capital words at the beginning of the declaration of our data type name. Okay, and do not use some special symbols. We always use a, means small case letter at the beginning of the data type name, and we also use the dollar symbol. Okay, sorry, underscore symbol we can use. Then this is our fully concept of data type variable. I hope you are understanding this concept. So now come to our further topic, that is data type. So what data type? Okay, data type, what do we mean by data type? So data type is nothing but it is a characteristics of how we can declare a data. And let us assume data type, there are mainly for data type we can use int, then float, then long, then double. Okay, these are the main important data type. So data type is what means, it knows us what data will be stored on that variable. So let us assume this is a container. Okay, so here which type of data is stored, which type of data. Okay, so this category are so, if integer data is so, is float data is stored, is long data is stored, is double data is stored. So which type of data will be stored on that variable, it shows our data types. I give you a example by understanding your concept. Okay, so let's come to the similar example. Here is the container. So this is our container, and here we stored the code. So what you see that this is a variable and the value is kept. Okay, so here data type is what? So data type, if I write here pen, so here only the pen cap, here only the cap will be stored, not pen stored or not some biscuit stored. Okay, so it is a data type, means if I write it, this is a container and here I write cap. Now this is our container variable, then assignment symbol, then I pass this value, then put semicolon. Yes, see, this is our syntax. Okay, cap, so cap is our what? It is our data type. This is our variable, this is assignment symbol, this is our value. Okay, so this is the way we can declare a data type. Okay, so data type what? So data type, so the which type of data can be stored in that variable, not the many data are stored. Okay, so only one specific type of data can be stored on that variable. Okay, so these are the concept of data types. Okay, so data type, and here in data type, which memory space is 4 byte, float has memory space of 2 byte, long has 8 byte, and it's 8 byte. Okay, so this is 4 byte. So these are the data types. Okay, so we can simply write the syntax in data type. Int float, data type cannot be a name. Okay, so data type is a specific, means it is already defined in our main function, in our header file hash include stdio. It is already defined, we cannot change it. Okay, so this is the concept of data type and variable. This is a very short question. Okay, so if this video is informative for you, please like, share and comment in description. Okay, thank you. Jai Jagannath. So let's come to our mobile screen now. So first we have to download a coding C online compiler. So we have already downloaded this, so simply open this. Now this is our boilerplate. First is hash include stdio.h. This is our header file. Inside the header file, main function is written. Inside the main function, a statement is written printf hello world. Means I have already discussed this thing. So inside the printf, what we have written, this statement always executed. So when we run this program, what will print? Hello world. Okay. So this is the simply we can say that our structure of a C program. So if I write printf anything random number run, this is print, but this print in a single line. For next line we have mentioned here /n. Okay, so then we run, then the next line is so here we discuss about the data type and variables. So we have already discussed the what is data type and variable. So here how can we declare the data type and variable? So declaring a data type or a variable, so we have already know. So simply we write first int. So int is what? Int is our data type. Then we write what? Our variable name. Okay, so variable name, if I given a, then if assignment symbol is given, then the value which is passed or assigned to that variable we give now. So here simply we give the value let 20, then it is complete. No, one thing is missing here. What is it? Now after that a semicolon mark is must be put. So if I do not give the semicolon mark, so see what happens. So this is error generator. Okay, so simply write the semicolon mark, then you run this program. So see, nothing error occurs. Okay, so this is our syntax of declaring a variable in our C program. Okay, so thank you.